On the bus at 6 a.m., off into the darkness, as Stonehenge can be lightly seen as we pull into the parking lot at daybreak. Two large stones can be seen. It is smaller than I thought it would be. How often I have thought about Stonehenge since I was a boy. I picture something huge, though the massive stones are more of an illusion. I notice they got bigger as we approach. The stones are still quite big. As I strolled around the stones, I was drawn to a particular set of stones next to each other with a large stone on top. There are at least 3 other sets of these, but I kept being drawn to one in particular. At first I thought it would be cool to stand inside the stones. I fit quite nicely there. I took up my crystal and adjusted to their energy. Closed my eyes. I could feel what I could feel, to hear what I could hear, and to see what I could see. In my mind's eye, I could see an hourglass-shaped vortex spinning counterclockwise, both on the top and on the bottom. I pictured myself standing in the center at my solar plexus. As I wandered my focus around the outside of Stonehenge, I could sense many, even thousands, of Divic energies in attendance here today. So many that I couldn't even distinguish one from the other. It was like a homecoming, though it was suggested that I was the guest of honor. I was paying my respects to those that, if for me, it was quite special. I pondered the possibilities of other such stones and portals for different senses. Perhaps the alignment is significant to the internal structure of the stone